London with kids is easier when you have room to reset. From Kensington, you can plan simple days, museums, parks and early nights when needed. For families, look at suites where you can relax while kids sleep. A kitchen means quick breakfasts and snacks before you head out. Plan a museum quarter day, arrive early, take breaks and keep it flexible. Parks are your best free activity, fresh air, space to run and a calm reset. In-unit laundry and weekday cleaning make longer stays feel lighter. Check availability on our website and choose the space that fits your family.